Hello Sujan.
Hello, sir.
So phase 2 Viva related to the New Zealand Standard 3910 process. Here the main purpose of Viva is here we are checking your understanding and idea about the clauses which you have referenced in your report. So I would like to ask some questions related to the clauses in 3910-2023. So you can give the simple relevant answers, right? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my first question is like which New Zealand Standard 3910-2023 clauses you have referenced in your report?
I have chosen two clauses. The first one is 9.1.1, which is variation in project or variation. The second one is clauses 10.4, practical completion.
You mean that under the clause number 9.11 is a variation permitted, and under the 10 completion time 10.4 practical completion certificate. Okay. So can you elaborate your answer? What is the purpose of these two clauses? Purpose?
The purpose of both clauses are explained to you. The first one, clause 9.1.1, is to identify changes in the project, remodule it, reprise it, and complete the project.
You mean that 9.11 is so by looking at the variation permitted clause, so you can identify whether it is variation or not, like something like whether it is quantity change one or the material quality change one, additional work, level change, right? So yeah. So
every change in design, change in the square meter or the pricing, everything comes
Okay.
under variation.
So what's the purpose of the 10.4 under the completion time?
The purpose of it is to use the building safely before the final touch-up for the building or final inspection of the building.
Okay, it means like substantial completion.
Yes,
Yeah, you can start the other works, pending works.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, how do these clauses support your recommended contract type? Any idea? How do these clauses support to your recommended contract type? What's the recommended contract type in your project?
I have chosen remeasurement contract type. It supports variation because at the end of the project, all the areas, all the variation made are remeasured and recalculated, where the pricing are more accurate than the other types of measurements. And for the 10.4 practical completion, pricing will be more accurate.
So it means like 10.4 practical, having the practical completion certificate clause, you mean that you can start your measurement part when you substantially complete your project work.
Yes.
You can start the measurement part in the final measurement part.
Yes.
So, right, it means like remeasurement contract, like for the variations, the remeasurement with you are measure and pay. You are receiving the payment what you have done as a contractor. So once you complete the variation order work, you can reclaim that payments by considering the remeasurement contract.
All the variations will also be confirmed and paid.
All the accrued variations you can claim. So finally, can you give the practical example of the application of any of these clauses?
So our building, ACTS project, had first the tile roofing, and the client later wanted to change it to the green roof for the better green emission and for the environment. So
what category it include for the variation under the material change or the quantity change?
It's also the design change.
The design change, okay. Design
It
change.
comes under the design change.
Yes, and the material change. What are the advantages of changing that original scope to this new scope? Any idea?
So there are various advantages. The most one is as per the New Zealand rule, it will be reusable. It will better be for the demolition parts and the construction parts, as well as it will save the money as well, as per the tile one.
Yeah, operation wise, you save the money. It is sustainable approach. So, okay, thank you very much, Sudha.
Yeah.